Hello my YouTubers and welcome back to a brand new tutorial. In this tutorial it's going to be of how to make a part that if any player clicks it, it disappears and then comes back from any time you want. So now let's just get started in Roblox Studio. The first thing you need to do is just select any kind of base plate you want, and then after that make sure that you've got the Explorer and the properties open. And now go back to the Home tab and just click Part and scale it however you want. And I'm gonna make it big just so we can see it properly. Here, like a cube, and I'm going to change its material to just a minute. Wooden planks, change it in a darker color, and here, and now we click the part, now click the plus, and then we add a click detector. A click detector helps for the script to make the part disappear and work as how we want it. So now we click part again, click the plus, and insert script. Now we erase everything that is existing there. And I also covered the script and the description for you. This script is not really long, it's not long at all. So now let's just get started with the script. I just copied it from another script from another video. So we've got script.Parent.ClickDetector.MouseClick. Don't add mouse button one click because that is only for text buttons, mouse button one click. Just mouse click. Mouse click is for parts or anything like this. Connect, and then the function. We need until after the end add two more brackets so everything would work as we want. And the script.Parent.Transparency equals 1. Which is for before a player clicks the part. Wait, and then two brackets, and then however time you want to come back. Now script.Parent.Transparency equals 0. The 0 transparency is for whenever a player clicks it. So this is a very short script, so I think that is all. So now let's just play to see first if it works as we want. Here, now that my player just went in the game, now I just click the part and it disappears. Look, and if I click on this part, then it disappears. But the problem is that if it's visible, it doesn't make a player go through, which is kind of tricky, like that. But there's a trick for this. Just click part, scroll down, and then make sure that the can touch and can collide are unticked. And as you can see, as I join the game, I see my part, and it fell because I didn't make it anchored, which I forgot. So now let's just make it anchored. Play again. And before we finish, make sure that this part is anchored to avoid any problems. And here, and now you see, the can collide and the can touch, but they are unticked, can make me go through the block. And if I make it invisible, then I don't get stuck anymore. And the other problem is that if the part's invisible, then we've got the mouse click sign. And usually we need it while the block is visible, not while it's invisible. So if you've got any ideas of how to do that, write in the comments down below if you've got any ideas about that. Okay, so I think that's all for today's tutorial. And if you like my channel, please subscribe if you like my channel. And of course, if you like my video, please make sure to give a like. And this is Have the 13 leaving. Bye!